ఈ సీరియల్ చాలా మెగా ప్రాజెక్ట్. దాంట్లో చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది వైష్ణవి క్యారెక్టర్. I feel really proud and honored to play this character because it's something that anyone in today's world can relate to. Any girl going to US and the problems she faces. So I feel very happy and very proud to be a part of the serial, and it's something that anyone in today's world can relate to. Uh, for everyone watching my serial Padamati Gali, thank you very much. Please continue to watch. I'm sure you guys will be proud to see the future episodes. We've shot 1 month in San Francisco, and we're again planning another schedule. So I'm sure you guys will really appreciate. We've really worked hard, and thanks for your love and support. Which is why we're able to do what we are. Um, Thank you very much. Keep supporting us, and with all our audience and fans' blessings, that's who we are today is because of that. Thank you very much. ఈ సీరియల్ చూసిన తర్వాత ఎవరు అమ్మాయి అమెరికా వెళ్తుంది ఆ అమ్మాయి స్టోరీ నుంచి రిలేట్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్స్ గోనా బీ అ బిగ్ హెల్ప్ to all the girls going to US for a job, for work and all. So it's going to be very helpful. So please watch the serial. I'm very open to future movie projects. If I have a good script, I'd love to do it. At the same time, I got offered this tele project, Padamati Gali. It's a mega serial, but the character was so strong. It's something that I would love to play. I never got offered this type of film also, which is why I was so interested to play this character. We shot in US and we're again going abroad for shooting. But the character is what dragged me to do this project. I'd love to. It depends on whichever script I get. It depends upon the character, the script. I'm open to Tamil, Telugu, anything. As long as it's a strong script. Oh my god, I haven't even thought of that. It's a long way. In order to tie the knot, I need a man. So first of all, I'm looking for a nice man. So as and when I do find that, I'll do plan. Very down to earth, intelligent, family oriented, career minded man. I guess every girl's dream is probably the same. But yeah. Someone who can sweep me off my floor, that's it. ఈ సీరియల్లో నా క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంది. It's about a girl who's been born and brought up in a village, Bhimini Pattam or something. I'm sorry, I don't recall, but she's been brought up in a village, and how she gets a scholarship, and through that how she gets a chance to go to San Francisco, and out of that how she wants to help her family, her sisters in medicine, to get married, her father. It's a very strong character in how she helps her family and all, and as she's trying to help, it's all the problems she's facing and how she overcomes that. So it's basically regarding that. It's a very strong script, and I really pray you guys watch it because it's one of my favorite scripts, and please do watch it. I'm sure as time goes on, you really enjoy it, and more episodes will get better. Not really. I just saw the character and I signed it, but at the same time, talking in that point, I do think after knowing the character and all, it could any girl in today's world going to US, which I'm sure a lot of people do for studies, for jobs and everything. I think any girl can relate to such a character because it's so strong, and all the problems she relates to. I hope no one faces the problems I did in the serial, but any girl can relate to it, which is why I liked it. Not really. I believe in see, I'm here to act, whether it's in TV or whether it's in films. If I get a strong role, I'm more than happy to do it, whether it's till now I'm doing films, and as you see in Gangotri, my first film, it was a heroine oriented performance, and I'd love to play such roles. Again, in this TV film, my character was so strong. It's a heroine oriented role. That's why I really liked it. But again, if I get wonderful offers as such in films, I'll be more than glad to play it. Because Telugu industry is like another home to me. I've been here since 2003, and that to my sister more than that. Hyderabad is again another home to me. So I love it. I love the people. I love the food. Everything. I love the city. It sounds like a wonderful idea. If someone does offer, it be my pleasure, my honor to share the screen with such a established artist like Aarti. Even though she's my sister, but knowing what she's done over the years, I'm really proud of her, and I'd love to share screenplays with her.